Today we're going to look at how to add some automation magic between BABELFORCE and Zapier. It'll work for any other webhook as well. So the bit of magic we're going to look at is how to get a custom variable from the BABELFORCE IVR to your webhook. To do that, we're going to use a few BABELFORCE elements. We're going to use the session variables in IVR. We're going to use a custom HTTP action to send the data and an event trigger to make that action happen. So we select the webhooks by Zapier, which is a pre-built app on their platform. We're going to create a catch hook. So a catch hook means it's going to expect to get data from a post or other call from another API. We're going to set it up. It automatically generates the name of the hook. You can just copy that to the clipboard and then use that within the BABELFORCE action. We'll do that in a moment. Then you can edit some options. So you can select which key or which value within the payload that is sent, within the data that is sent, to highlight which you want. I won't do that here because I want to just retrieve everything, and then you can see how to cut it down afterwards. And then you can test it. You create an event trigger on BABELFORCE. I've already done one here. So what I've said is every time that a call is bridged, that means connects to an agent, I'm going to use the custom HTTP callback to send the data, and I'm going to send it to exactly that webhook created on Zapier. And in this case, I'm going to demonstrate that I'm sending a key value pair. So in the IVR, a survey selected true or false variable value was set. And so I'm going to put that into what I'm calling my key survey selected, which is going to appear within the data of the Zapier hook. And I'm going to send this, that is the variable name here that I created. So I actually set that up myself inside the IVR, inside BABELFORCE. And so this is going to be evaluated here and sent off. I'm also going to send the call data just to demonstrate the different kinds of data that you can get there. I mean, I could turn on more things here. It depends on what your application on your end wants to do. So we see that the agent has taken the call here. Now we can also see that my action was dispatched, and I called it send survey selected result to Zapier, which has taken place. So on the Zapier side over here, now you have to click on view your hook, and then it shows you the data that it received. So this is all of the data that we have received here from BABELFORCE. So there is my survey selected variable, which has the value true. Was sent. Now notice, because I decided to send all the call data, all of the call data is also sent here. Okay, once you have that, you can do whatever you like. You can trigger an action from your application or from Zapier or whatever you're using back to BABELFORCE or to some other service. Okay, great. Works perfectly.